Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do multiplayer expedition in Monster Hunter World. This helps when you want to explore or farm with friends instead of playing solo. First, make sure you are in an online session. Then open the map and choose any field to start an expedition. Once you load in, you have two options. You can invite a friend or fire an SOS flare. Open the Communications tab and select Invite a Friend. This opens the Steam overlay and lets you invite a friend directly. The second option is opening the Quest tab and selecting Fire SOS Flare. This allows any player in an online session to join your expedition through the quest board. And that's how to do multiplayer expedition in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.